Alright, so today we're gonna go back in history and we're gonna watch yung Go Up Blindfold Challenge ng SB19 6 years ago. Parang hindi ko pa napapanood. Hindi ko alam kung bakit parang wala pang pula dyan. Di ba kapag napanood may pulang linya na yan. So, bruh, is this gonna be the first time that I'm gonna watch them dance Go Up, the Go Up song, blindfolded? I don't know. Pero sabay-sabay nating tunghayan. This is a very nice request from Master Imelda Mendaño. SB19 does Go Up Blindfold Challenge. Let's go, man. Bata pa sila dito. Let's go. Intro nila dati?
Sabi niya pakita na.
Oh my God! Di ko pa napapanood ata talaga to.
So, sa nakikita nyo ngayon, hulakan nyo kung ano yung sabak challenge namin na susunod. Ano sa tingin nyo ang susunod na sabak challenge natin? Josh, Ken, ano
It's in the title. Ha? Blindfold Challenge. Alam ko
sa
na.
tingin nyo yung susunod na sabak challenge natin?
Tingin ko, magmamasahe ako. Magmamasahe.
Magbamasahe.
Ngayon naman, meron kaming next Sabak Challenge. Natapos na namin isa, pero doon medyo nahirapan kami. Pero walang imposible, di ba? Walang imposible. Basta, set your heart and your mind into something you want to do.
Naka-blindfold sila?
Yes, let's
Yeah.
get it.
So, this time, wala na kaming ano-ano. Isang take lang talaga. 100% sure. Tapos.
Oh, ito sa challenge na to.
Oh, so it's gonna be one take. Damn. Inga, Master Miggy Boy. It's gonna be one
Gagawin
take,
namin
man.
pati ulit yung go up, pero
Go blind na, go blind.
Nakapiling naman.
Go Blindfold
Sabi
Challenge.
ko sa challenge na to, kasi feeling ko dito sa challenge na to, since practice natin to ng 1,000, kaya natin to.
Sabi ko lang,
Galing, galing.
this is very, very dangerous. Don't do this at home.
Yes.
Pero sa labas pwede.
Don't do it at home.
So, yung takip sa mukha ni Ken balik.
Hindi ka nag-blindfold, no?
Hindi naka-blindfold ako.
Here it is. Ready, set, go!
Oh, what the? What happened? Ano yun? Ay, It's not SB19 kung walang gulatan factor. So, tatarantaduhin nila yung kuya nila dito. Oo naman, palaging bunot na lang talaga si Josh dati pa. Masama tong 4 na banu na to, ah. And he thought he's doing good. Sabi ni Josh, oh, damn, perfect yung ano ko, walang tinatamaan, ha. Di niya alam, tinatarantado. What the heck? Napaka-demonyo. Sabi ni Ken, wala akong makita. Ouch! I didn't expect that. Napanood yun na ba to? Hindi, wala akong, I don't have any idea. So, may hindi ko napanood. What? That was nice. I was happy seeing that kahit medyo inaaway nila si Josh, but that was nice, ah. Alright, this is the real thing right here. Let's go.
Game!
Realistically, this is freaking dangerous. Totoo nga. Because the momentum, yung force na pag nagbangga kayo, this could pwede kang makakuha na concussion. So you have to be careful. So legit, don't try this at home. This is freaking hard as well, ah. Nakikita. Wala kang makita. Aking mata. What are you doing, Ken? Sa dilim walang makakapiyan. Oh my god, man. This brings back so many memories. And I just want to emphasize that this is the SB19 that I love. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi ko sila mahal ngayon. Meaning, mas mahal ko na sila ngayon. Ng sobra, of course. But, yung dance moves nila dito and the choreography is very SB19 coded. Na talagang alam kong SB19 at heart siya. And ito yung mga choreography na nagpamahal sa akin because it is so compact. Sobrang ganda ng choreography. Very distinct. Merong mga formations and I loved it so much. And I'm missing this kind of choreography in today's time. I mean, their dances now is freaking awesome because of Coach J and everyone else. But yung ganitong cheesy, na medyo cheesy type na choreography, very heavily SB19 coded, and I freaking love it. I freaking love it so much. Alayo! Here we go! No, Diyos! Kay Diyos ako ngayon. Luba, may positibo. Madot pa. Handa ko harap yung lahat, yeah. Ano?
success.
Talaga ba?
Sabi
Feeling ko
nila.
hindi.
So
Oo,
since
totoo naman eh.
nakarami na kami ng challenges, mag-comment pa kayo ng maraming pagsabak.
Kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto namin sabakin.
Sabakan.
Sabakin. Basta sabak. Sasabak tayo kahit ano pa man yan. Kaya, comment anything you want and we will do that. We will sabak.
Comment sabak _ tapos kung anong klaseng challenge.
Para malaman nyo, para sa susunod gagawin namin yung mga request nyo.
Kaya abangan nyo ang susunod namin huling sabak!
Oh, ganun pala. Damn! Wow. That was a nice video. Bukod doon sa galing nila, doon sa blindfolded part, sobrang natuwa ako sa prank nila kay Josh. Yung nanarantado nila kay kuya nila. Yun. Doon ako talaga sumaya. Very nice, no? So that's it. That's about it for today, guys. Konting recap lang dun sa ating market and a little bit of recap in history. I hope you had a wonderful time. Thank you for being here and enjoy the rest of your day. So 12 p.m. Have your lunch. All right. Okay, so panoorin na lang din natin yung Go Up, no? We're here naman na eh.